We just got a whole lot of parts in the mail today, but there's still a ton of prep we gotta do before we can install them. If you're new here, this is my $800 88 F250 that I'm body swapping with a 96. First things first, we gotta strip this motor all the way down. That involves removing all the accessories and draining all the fluids. Once the block is completely exposed, I can hit it with a quick coat of paint. Make sure to use the high temp engine enamel. I'm leaving the plugs in and the valve covers on because I'm planning on replacing them anyway. I'm not looking for perfect results here, I'm just trying to freshen the engine up a little bit. Now that the engine's looking good, we can tackle the nasty frame rails. I give it a quick wire wheel to get rid of all the rust, and then I hit it with some f250. We can finally pull those old spark plugs out and make way for our brand new Hedman long tube headers. Make sure to prep the mating surface on the header as well as the engine. Now we just gotta slide them in there and use the supplied hardware and gaskets. Next, I can install my brand new chrome valve covers, which really transformed the look of this engine. I got a rebuild kit for my injectors and reinstalled those too. Next, I can check the gap on my set of brand new spark plugs and get those installed along with the distributor wires. Now I can finally start to freshen up and reinstall all the accessories, starting with the alternator and then the intake. Next, I can mount the throttle body, and then we can move on to refreshing this water pump. And if you're not a fan of RTV gasket maker, then you should click off this video right now, because this water pump uses 2 gaskets and a metal plate in between them. And I plan on gooping up every single surface. Once I got it all sandwiched together, I can finally mount it onto the front of the engine block. Next, we gotta replace this old leaky power steering pump. You'll have to use this pulley remover tool to take the pulley off. This one's off Amazon and it works great. Next, I can take the mounting bracket to the sink and give it a good degreasing. I ended up mounting a used power steering pump until I realized it was also blown, so I had to buy a brand new one anyway. Next, we can hook up all the coolant lines and all the wiring can go back in as well. I got the fender liners all mounted, and now it's finally time to see the fenders on it for the first time. I also mounted the rad support. There's only a couple more things to do in the engine bay, like this battery tray and airbox. But it looks like I'm out of time, so follow me for more updates.